Good afternoon, gentlemen. We're down on site in Beverley today. This is our first interview with Ian Sargent, and today we've got Paul Clarkson with us. Paul is the Managing Director of Triton Construction, and Ian Sargent is the Managing Director of Sargent Electrical. We've been celebrating taking some press photographs today, and I'm just going to take the opportunity of interviewing these two fine gentlemen. So Ian, first question to you. Can you briefly give us the story behind the project, please?
Yeah, I mean, we've been a number of years planning this to try and get to somewhere where we can build the building we want, to retain the staff and to showcase what we do as a business. So and we're now finally in the ground. Perfect,
thank you. And can you just explain the significance of this investment by you for your business?
This is the future, and we're seeing as I say, showcasing the technology that can go into a building that can really get to zero carbon in use, and that's what we're doing now. And that technology is there, but we're just pushing the envelope a little.
Brilliant, thank you. And to you, Paul, as we start construction, I know we've got the whole team down on site today. What is the sort of first few weeks going to push forward for this particular project?
Well, for the first sort of 10 to 12 weeks, we are preparing the site, clearing the site, some ground remediation. As you can see, well, when you look around, we're crushing concrete and reusing it on site. Again, it's important to try and reuse everything we can. We're then cement stabilising the site to give us a platform to construct from. After the sort of 8 to 10 weeks of ground remediation, we'll be starting foundations with steel going up in about another 8 to 10 weeks, so 12 weeks from commencement. It's when the local populace will really see what's happening.
Great. And is there any particular challenges with this particular site?
Well, the site, not so much, really. I mean, it does need some remediation. It does need some cement stabilisation to make it suitable for constructing on, but that's not particularly onerous. I think the difficult thing with this build is Ian's aspirations to make the building a net zero building and to make it very, a smart building, if you like, so that everything is monitored, everything is controlled, to minimise energy consumption, etc. So there's some very clever electronics going into the building, and pulling all that together to make it all work exactly as Ian wants is going to be not an insurmountable challenge, but it's going to be a challenge for the team.
Yeah.
He's suggesting that you're a challenging client.
Probably some truth in that. We do like to push the envelope.
Absolutely, yeah. So we'll just finish on you because we're going to come back every few weeks to do these interviews. So as we stand here today, Ian, what are you most looking forward to during that construction phase?
The build itself, I'm really interested in how Paul and the team put it together. It really will be a very interesting development project, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm really looking forward to that. And obviously, we're looking forward to the end not when Paul's gone off site, but when we're actually in the building.
Excellent. Well, we'll call it a day there, gentlemen. Thanks very much for your time. I appreciate you're busy, and we'll see you back on site when we push that a little bit further forward on the programme. So I wish you well, and thank you for your time today. Thank you.
Thank you.